Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody's alright. It is currently now 10 minutes to 9 p.m. in South Africa on the 4th of October 2024. Happy birthday to my friend Rita. Happy birthday, bro. In today's video, I just want to talk about something, right? I want to talk about the FTMO Phase 1 account that I'm currently busy with. It's a journey that's filled with highs and lows, and I think there are valuable lessons that I can learn from this. And also, this is sort of like a documentation section of my channel, and I think talking about psychology, trading psychology in particular, is something that most of us need, right? So, number one, I just want to talk about the ups and downs of the week. As you have seen in the previous videos, and some of them I'm gonna drop them I think tomorrow during the day. So the good news is I managed to gain 3% of my account during the first part of my trading journey. As you see, the title of the series is called From Drawdown to Growth, right? From almost blown to growth. So it felt super amazing. It felt good for me to have taken a trade after trade after trade and moved the account from minus 3% to break even. This week I found myself over leveraging during Thursday AM session. That is 9:30 when the S&P and US 100 open. I was chasing trades left and right. So before I knew it, I had blown almost all of my gains. And it's frustrating really to see how the work that I've put into just disappear and diminish or rather evaporate just like that. But I think it's what happens to people, especially people that don't have discipline like me. So I'm noting this so that I can go back to my videos and listen to them over and over and over. I think people who listen to themselves, they get to improve better, right? So this is sort of like a documentation. And the second thing that I want to address is the mistake that I recognize. What's important though is how we respond to situations, right? After taking a hit, I realized that I needed to step back and just peruse through or rather check what mistake did I do, what actions did I take. I recognized that I over-risked my trades, right? And in that moment, I could have easily kept pushing to recover losses, but I didn't. I took a pause. Imagine you move from negative 3% to from negative 3% to positive to break even, and then moving back again to negative 3. That has a lot of psychological effect in your mind, right? And not only to forget your emotions also. So I want to emphasize this point. Sometimes the best move is to stop trading altogether when things aren't going your way. And also, ICT said something in one of his videos. He said, we should not trade during the NFP week. The last trade we take on the 2022 mentorship, he said it should be on the AM session of the Wednesday for that particular week that the NFP occurs, right? So after hitting that negative 3%, I made a conscious decision to take a break and not to trade on any NFP day, especially today, this Friday. I didn't trade, and as I was looking at the chart a minute ago, I saw a beautiful sell setup that I could have taken, but nonetheless, it was a huge moment for me to have stepped out of the charts. So the importance of discipline is the third thing that I want to address. Discipline is so crucial in trading. It's not just about making money. It's about managing your risk and your emotions. Stopping when I hit my limit showed me that I am learning to control my impulses. I'm learning to stop when I see that, hey, I'm going the wrong direction. So in trading, the urge to recover losses can lead to even bigger mistakes, right? So that's what I experienced on Wednesday. Really, guys, when I was negative 1%, honestly, what was happening in my mind was like, okay, just put in 2 more trades, and then if you get it to break even, you can post that video on your YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm gonna post the losses as well, because I wanna make sure that I document everything, so that I also, when I've grown in this career later on, I can be like, yo, you did good there, right? So we learn. And I think the fourth thing that I want to address is reflections and lessons on the day. This experience has really made me reflect on my trading mindset. I think it's easy to get caught up in the chase for profits. That's what I've just explained just now. But it's vital to have a strategy and stick to it, right? As you have seen, I think in the live trades that I've posted, although they may not be that clear, I'm still looking for a way that I can record the whole video, right? From when I enter a trade till it hits my TP. Just that I'm using the same laptop for recording my trades and also coding in the background. Yes, I'm learning how to code. I'm using it for a lot of things. So whenever I need it, I just use it, right? So I've learned that it's essential to set clear limits for myself, like -3%. I remember when TFT was a thing, I had an account with them, and when I blew my first funded account with them, I passed phase 1, I passed phase 2 with my first account that I purchased. This is the second one I purchased now, right? So I blew that account dismally just before they went down. I blew that account dismally. It was in the evening. I entered into the taxi. It was hot. Bro, I don't know what happened that day. I was shaking all over. Put as many trades as I can. I don't know why I did that. No. What actually happened is I had put on trades, right, in the London session. I lost. And I had, I think, $57 to lose for the day. Should I lose more than that on that $5,000 account? It was regarded as blown, right? So I did exactly that. I put more trades just at 3:30, which is 9:30. That's the time I always trade. I put in sales. I remember exactly it was sales, and I'm sitting at the edge of a taxi, right? A 15-seater taxi. Yo, bruh, I missed everything. I lost everything on that day. The trade was just on its initial stop hand, right? And then I joined that sell as soon as I saw a favored gap and a break of structure. Only to find out it's only 30:30, bruh. They're going for yet another stop hand, and then the real move ensued. Yo. Bruh, I was devastated. I don't want to lie. I was devastated. I didn't know how to come back from that, but here am I. I'm at it again. I love Forex. I love trading the markets. So going forward, I plan on focusing on refining my strategy and improving my risk management. I must say I'm pretty impressed with what I did during the week. I was consciously risking 1%, and then if I'm adding one more equivalent of 1%, it would be, I think, 1.1% maximum. If you could have seen the trades that I put in there. So I'm risking 1% because I'm confident of my strategy. If you have seen how I trade, I think you can agree with me. I'm confident with how I trade, right? I remember on Thursday when I saw that happening, they created an opportunity. I think I bought. It went south, right? I sold. Normally I do that. I buy on that favorable gap after a break in structure, and then if that low is broken, I'm expecting them to keep on going lower and treat the low that I've just made as a breaker. So that's just how I trade all the time. But when I saw them hitting stops lower, hitting stops higher, hitting stops lower, hitting stops higher, it's like it's that day that ICT is always talking about, right? So it's about consistency over time for me from always. I'm committed to sharing my journey with all of you, my success, my setbacks, and everything in between. I hope my experiences will vibe with many of you and encourage you and just uplift you so that you can reflect on your own trading mindset as well. So if you've been listening to this, thanks for listening. Everyone, if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share on your own experiences in the comments below. Let's keep going together as traders. Remember, it's not just about profit. It's about how we manage ourselves through this wild ride. Catch you in the next video. And also, as always, I'm always gonna give you the most realistic course of action and nothing else. This is Stalls in Forex Buffet. See you. Hola.